Hey, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be solving HackerRank problem called Java Anagrams. So two strings A and B are called anagrams if they contain all the same characters in the same frequencies. So for example, the anagrams of cat are cat, act, tag, TCA, TC, and CTA. Complete the function in the editor if A and B are case-insensitive anagrams, print anagrams, otherwise print not anagrams instead. So we have sample input, anagram, and Morgana, and sample output looks like anagrams, and we have explanation that both anagram and Morgana have the same characters frequencies. So for each character they have the same frequencies. And also important notice is that print anagrams if A and B are case insensitive anagrams, so they have to be case insensitive. So let's copy this code to IntelliJ. Alright, let's import our scanner class here. Great. So first of all, to solve this problem, we need to make a string A and string B case insensitive. So we'll make it with our uppercase method, A to uppercase and B equals B to uppercase. So then we'll create a boolean called flag, and we'll set it equals to false. And finally we'll create a string builder class called string builder C equals new string builder. Oops. And we'll pass in the value of variable B. So we'll create an if statement, and first if A-len equals to B-len, so basically we are comparing those two strings and comparing the length of these strings. So if len is different, that they are not anagrams, and we don't want to run all the process. So we'll create a for loop. We're gonna loop through each of these strings, through each character in the strings. So for integer I equals 0, as long as I is less than a.len, I++, and the second for loop is for the second word. So for integer, let's call it j equals 0, j, as long as j is less than c.len, increment j. Okay, so if a dot characters at index I equals c dot char at index j, we want c dot delete char at j. So what's going on here? So basically we're taking string A and string C, which is string B in fact, and we're looping through each character of string A and string C. So if character in string A equals to character at string B, we want to delete that character at string C. Let me show you how this works. So we have string A, anagram. Let me wrap this. Yep, so we have string A and string C, which is basically string B, Margana, right? So we're looping through each character in the word in the string A. So we're taking, okay, index 0A, loop through the characters of string C and find the word A. Okay, it's at index 1, then delete it. Then the second letter means character N, and it's looping through each character and it finds N and it deletes N. Then again A, here is A, delete A, G, and it deletes G, and then R, and it deletes all the characters. And finally, we wanna, what is the criteria to stop? So if I equals a.len, a.len minus 1, because indexing in Java starts at 0 and len of string A should be less, we should subtract 1, so we get a valid I number, and c.len equals 0. So what we're saying here is when our looping through the final character ends and we check the string C and it equals to 0, so there are no characters left because they're all deleted, then that means that set flag to true means these words are anagrams, because all letters are, the frequency of letters are equal, and we want to break. And also we want to add the break here, and our data type, our object is Boolean, so it should return something. Then return flag. Okay, so let's get rid of this and let's run this and see how it works. Okay, the first word cat, the second word act. Okay, let's try words which are not anagrams. So let's try A, B, C, D, F, G. Not anagrams. Okay, great. So let's copy this code into our HackerRank problem. Let's get rid of this curly brackets. So, okay, let's run this code. Okay, so all 3 test cases passed, and yeah, this works. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.